Nagre-reload na ako ng isa, parang wala na.
Mindset ba? Sad naman. Ano siya? Saks na ano lang. Grabe. Taray. Hindi. The sauce. Ano? Babae, cameraman lang yun. Sabi ko, yun yung familiar. Sabi ko, pupunta si Jeff. Ate Jam. Alam mo nila yung pupuntahan? Bakit pa to? Uy! Kaya nga si Ed. Uy, teacher ba? Hi! Popular. Gonna be popular. Popcorn. Smell the popcorn. I can smell the butter. Starbucks.
Sino nililibre?
Ikaw. Libre mo ako.
Ano yan?
Libre mo ako.
Bablog ka?
Oo, binablog kita. Ano to? May staffa.
Tama po rin mga workmates.
Disney Channel. Ano? Omni X channel.
Masabay na ako. Ano yan? Ayan. Sorry. Okay na pala kayo. Pasabay sa akin sinabay.
Pasabay next year na ba yan?
13 plus.
Siya, anong nilulook forward mo for today?
Wala. Makauwi. Manood na scene eh.
So, anong pinasok mo for today's video?
May pagkismisan. Burger. Rina.
Yes.
Okay. Medium.
Thank you.
So, ito naman row ng OS to. So, magkakalapit pa rin kayo.
Excited sila.
Kasama po sa vlog ko.
Hindi ko na. Thank you.
Thank you po. Ay, nag-vlog pala. Akala ko go.
It's actually recorded. Hi, Jake.
Ay, yun. Kumuha ka na pala.
Actually. Wala ba yung food? Ubus nyo na yung food nyo.
Good afternoon, citizens! Okay, it's 5 p.m. and we're officially starting our kickoff party for this year. All
A start on 2024 last year, medyo dry. But towards the third and fourth quarter, we had significant momentum. And that growth, we will still
I think more than 17 industry and partnership events. We started brand.
Happy birthday, girl! And a one, and a two, and a one, two, three. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Emma! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Would it be alright by you if I digreenify you? No, of course that's not important to me. Alright, why not? I'll reply. Oh.
Oh, dumiretso po. Pagalit nyo.
One, two, three. One, two, three. The pose, 1, 2, 3. Rocky, wait, bigyan.
Ay, ganun ata. Sige ko na, partner kami dalawa. Tatalikan tayo. Ay, love you. Talikan tayo nila.
yung
Tapos